Introducing Pxle, the next generation smart safety light for urban riders.
Reimagined for the 21st century with cutting-edge features that prioritise your safety.
My journey with Pxle started at university.
For my final year project, I built a safety light for my electric skateboard, and after some close calls with cars and taxis, it highlighted the need for modern road safety.
Post-graduation, I evolved it into Pxle for cyclists, smarter and more versatile.
Pxle is a powerful light that attaches to your bike's front or back, a scooter or a backpack.
I've designed Pxle to be a rear light and a headlight.
Its main mode is a rear light, but you can flip it 180 degrees to switch between the two. No extras required.
You control it via the easy Bluetooth remote.
Display clear turn signals to reduce confusion and boost safety. Auto braking lights up when you slow down so others can see your moves.
I've designed Pxle to have a hazard mode which blinks 4 times for emergencies or to say thank you.
Double press the remote's power button to switch between 6 rear light modes for any condition.
You can check the battery level by double pressing the power button.
The LED strip runs from red to green, half lit for 50% charge, and when it's time to recharge, the live charge indicator shows progress via the USB-C on the LED strip. As the percentage goes up, more LEDs work their way up progressively, so you're always ready to ride. The long-lasting battery life keeps you safe on longer rides without worry.
This is just a start. We've got lots more features in the pipeline.
Post Kickstarter, I'm pumped to add self-cancelling turn signals, auto turn on via movement or low light, and an iOS app for customization, and more to make Pxle the ultimate smart light.
Join the Pxle journey. Back us on Kickstarter today and let's help make city riding safer. Thank you for watching.